What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can use Nano Banana Pro for state-of-the-art visuals in Artlist AI. So let's get started. So first, go to Artlist AI and log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, you can go to AI Toolkit. And here there are some assets that are already available. So here we want to create our own visual. So to do that, let's look at the prompt box right here and let's start to describe what we want to create. So for example, we want to create an epic battle in Middle Earth between orcs and elves. Now to change to Nano Banana Pro, you can click on this button right here and choose Nano Banana Pro. Now after that, just click on generate and the AI is going to generate your visuals. So let's wait for a few seconds right here. Alright, and as you can see, we have our visuals. Now, if you enjoy these kinds of videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.